LiQWYD's kitchen. We are here to make
pizza.
pizza. Okay, so I guess Chef Mommy's gonna help because he wants me to help him. Okay, come on, let's do it. And yes, my hand is cut off on all of these videos. When he comes, he can cook with us.
He wants to cook with us?
When he comes over, he can. Ooh. Okay, what's in there? It's dough, right?
Dough.
Cause the main part of the pizza is dough, right? And we have a lined cookie sheet because I don't know
like the number one.
where.
It's like the number one.
I don't know where.
It's like the number one.
My pan is.
It's like
yes.
the number one.
Number one. You sound like a number one.
These two are number ones.
Okay, so what we're gonna do? We gotta get this flattened out, right? Because we're making a pizza. We're gonna share it together, right? Let me see if I can separate it first. We got a pre-dough, like, you know. Oh, there you go, babe. There you go. Come on there, babe. It's cold, right?
Yeah.
And if we was making this for somebody else, we probably wouldn't touch it.
It's my hand.
But it's okay. It's ours. That's it. Now we're gonna do the other side. Come on. Do the other side. Gotta get it separated.
I want to do the rolling.
Okay, we're gonna do
For
it.
fun.
Okay, hold on. You gotta put some more oil on this side. Look. Put some oil over here. Over here. You got it? Ooh, what are you slapping that oil on there? What's up over there? Come on.
Hello, man.
In the middle.
Hello, man.
Put it in the middle.
Stop the oil in here.
You got it?
Can you smell? Go.
Okay, now what you gonna do next? You gonna roll it like for fun, like you did? Okay, we gotta put some on top too, so don't use it all. Look.
Stop putting it in there.
Uh-oh, look at me messing up. But it's okay. It's for us, so.
How do I put it in there?
It'll be great.
How do I put it in there?
No, you're supposed to roll it out, right? Here. No. Leave that right there. Here, you gonna roll it out some more? Like this?
I want to do it.
Okay. Do it. Oh, Lord, you gotta hold it. Don't. Look, so you gotta watch what you're doing. You gotta be sure to flatten it out without messing up the dough. You can really just spread it apart with your hands. We're gonna make it the size of the pan, like a rectangular one. There's some little slight holes
I
in
like
it.
a rectangle.
He's tearing it. Don't tear it too much, baby. That's enough. Okay. It's like a what? It's like a what shape?
Rectangle.
That's alright. So now that you put the olive oil around the edges, we've got it in a rectangle. What?
I want you to come here so you can help me.
I'm coming. Okay, so now we're gonna put on our, what's next? What you gonna put on next?
Pepperoni.
Oh, you just gonna jump right to the pepperoni stuff? Don't you have to put the sauce on first? You wanna put the sauce on first?
Huh?
We're gonna put the sauce on first?
Where's the sauce?
Right here. We're just using some HEB sauce. Here, I'm gonna do it like this, and then you can put it in there. Here,
Where you put the sauce in?
right here. And then you just spread it around like that.
I won't do it by myself.
Okay, go ahead. I'm showing you what to do. You ain't gonna ask me how to do it, then say, here, then spread that around too. But don't go all the way to the edge. You already put olive oil on the edge, so just don't, just do it in the middle. trying to rub it in like lotion. You just rubbing it on top. Ooh, like that. Is that good? Want some more sauce on there?
Yeah.
Just gonna use the sauce. We got it from HEB. It's a traditional pizza sauce. We love HEB, baby. For Texans, by Texans, HEB is like the best. Okay, that's all. And if you don't like HEB, there's something wrong with you. Something wrong with you.
We like pizza meat.
Is that good? That looks good to
We
me.
like pizza meat.
You like it?
We like pizza meat.
That looks pretty good to me. You think it looks good?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So,
Are we done with it?
not yet. Oh, wait. You want some? Now let's go ahead and put some cheese on. I'll put some cheese on. Yeah? Okay. No, you didn't use all of it. Here. There you go. That's fine. It looked good, baby. You did so
It's
good.
already done.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Let's put this in the thing. We're done with it. Go ahead and grab your cheese. Where's your cheese? Right here. Cheese.
Ooh. Oh, that's how we use cheese.
Cheese. Gotta spread it all around, babe. Got it? Ooh. That's what I'm talking about. Let it go. Let it all go. Let it go. So, but now you have to spread it out like this. Put it all around. Put it all over there.
Queso. Audrey eats pizza.
I put it. Okay, so what's up? We got our stuff out the oven, our pizza, and I think you guys. Alexa, stop. Forgot about that. Okay, so we are back. We're back. We're back. So where we at now? What we supposed to do?
Cut the pizza.
We're about to cut it up. All right.
This is your side and this is my side.
Yeah, I set mine down so this way is hot.
You have pepperoni on
feel
your
like
side.
Hot. It's hot, but I can take it.
It's so hot, you put it on me.
I'm
So
sorry.
hot.
You're so dramatic.
It was on me burning.
It's so good.
Don't take my side. That's lovely.
We have tasted it. It was amazing. And I don't know if you guys seen the footage putting it in the oven, but yeah, I don't know what happened with the footage before that with the toppings. But we have a finished product and it looks good. So what do you have to say, big baby? Key Money, chef?
Did the pizza look good, y'all? Right here?
Yes. Let's y'all put in the comments what kind of toppings y'all gonna use when y'all make y'all's pizza. Y'all, this is amazing. So he wants to know, does it look good? Drop the comments. And are we done, babe? You ready?
Smell?
You ready to be finished?
Yeah. Let's look on the TV and let's look on
Watch you on
the
TV?
TV. Subscribe button.